First of all, yes, I'm at an airport, but this is too important. I needed to share it with you. So the president's new federal student loan forgiveness program is out, and I have all the details. So this could mean tens of millions of borrowers could see their debt wiped out. First, before I tell you all the details, there are two things you have to understand. One, this is not finalized yet. It still needs to go through the public comment period before it can be finalized, so it's not done yet. And two, yes, the president can do this. The Supreme Court struck down his last student loan forgiveness proposal, but they never said he can't try again, and that's exactly what's been happening for the last year. So now that we have all that clear, who qualifies for this new forgiveness? So there are 5 groups, and pay attention to number 5 because I think a lot of people are going to fall into that category. So group 1, if you're one of the 25 million federal student loan borrowers who owe more than you originally borrowed because of the overwhelming interest, you will qualify. If this is you, regardless of your income, you will have up to $20,000 forgiven under this new program. It is important to note, if your income is under $120,000 as an individual or under $240,000 if you file married joint, or if you are involved in any other income-driven repayment program and your balance has grown since you entered repayment, you will qualify for a waiver of your entire balance. If this new program is finalized, there will be no application for you to fill out. This $20,000 or full balance forgiveness will be automatic. Group 2. Borrowers who already qualify for student loan forgiveness but for one reason or another have not applied or have failed to overcome the difficult paperwork you need to fill out to get forgiveness under any other existing program. If this program is finalized and you fall into that group, your loan will be forgiven. Group 3, if you have an undergraduate loan that you've already been paying on for 20 years, starting on or before July 1st, 2005, or a graduate federal student loan that you've been paying on for 25 years, so on or before July 1st of 2000, if this program is finalized, you would be qualified for loan forgiveness too. You would not need to be enrolled in any income-driven repayment program to qualify. Group 4, borrowers who took on debt and enrolled in an institution or a program that lost its eligibility to participate in the federal student aid program or were denied recertification because they took advantage of students, or if the institution or program closed, you will be eligible for relief under this new proposed program. And finally, group 5, and like I said, this is an important one. If you are a federal student loan borrower who is experiencing a hardship, you will qualify. Now, you're probably wondering what qualifies as a hardship. Well, according to the Department of Education, borrowers whose student loans are a barrier for them to participate in the economy, access economic mobility, or pursuing their dreams. Now, that sounds very flowery, but keep in mind, if you fall into this hardship category, your loan forgiveness may not be automatic. If this program is approved, you'll likely have to fill out a specialized application where you detail the hardship you're going for, and the Department of Education can then evaluate your situation and decide if you do qualify. So if you want to read all about this from the Department of Education, I'm going to email it all out to you tonight in my Newsgirl News Roundup email, so make sure you sign yourself up. Now, as I said, this is not finalized yet. It still needs to go through the public comment period, but if all goes well, that could be done in the next few months. But don't forget, there will absolutely be legal challenges to this, and that could also slow this whole program down.